on 3,000 tests to work on, and it did, in fact, work on them overnight and got most of them working. So what we're going to talk about is the Cloud Code repo itself. Now, just a quick pointer here, because I thought this was weird, but the Anthropic repo is actually Anthropics because the username already worked before, was already there before. So if we scroll down here in these plugins, there's quite a few of them, and I'll talk about how to install them. But essentially, so there's quite a few of them in here. The ones that I had heard about before, and you might have as well, are Code Review, for example, and then there's a front-end one as well. So front-end design. I think these are sort of the most popular plugins from last year, we'll say, because it feels like a new year has started, and it's the year of Ralph. So if we scroll down to the bottom here, we've got Ralph Wiggum. And if we click into it, it talks a little bit about how Ralph works, or how the Ralph plugin works. But essentially, it's a while true. So it'll run once and do run a Ralph loop and say your task description. So we could say hey, create a multiplayer front end app or something like that. And then your completion promise, or what you're going to say is when you stop, essentially, you're going to look for done. Now, there's very simplistic here on this side. I would say there's one thing missing, which is called max iterations, which I actually found was pretty important